DIY gift wrap in 3, 2, 1. You'll need brown paper, your favorite paint, and a paintbrush and a stencil. It's pretty simple. Just take your paint. I just use a paper plate and an old paintbrush. You don't need a whole lot of paint for this, just a little. And you're going to take your stencil and lay it out wherever you want. You can use tape to tape it down if you want. I don't. And just dab it on there. The color will darken as it dries. White would work really well too, light colors. And there you go. And now to finish it off with a bowless bow. You're just going to get the length that you need for your gift. You're going to cut a hole or a slit right in the middle. This is kind of wide ribbon. So then you're going to thread the ribbon through the hole. I started with taking the right side and tucking it underneath. And then the other side, just kind of tighten them up a little bit, and then you just tie a knot, and that is it. You do have to do some fidgeting to try to get, the side of the ribbon that you want showing. This is velvet ribbon, so I wanted it to be showing and not the underside. So I just kind of had to fidget for a while to get it how I wanted it. Then you're ready to cut the ends of your ribbon, and you fold the ribbon in half and cut in an upward motion. I almost cut the wrong way. And that's it. You just kind of flatten it out and you're good to go.